Oo, dami no. Diyos mio. Ito naman sa Nike, just do it, pambata naman. Ito naman Crocs. Really? Really? What's that? Stop. 17 pages. La. Dilana, look at these unicorn shoes here. Just wanna watch it. See, more unicorn shoes. Oh, no worry. No, don't do that. Okay, come on. See, look. We are at Famous Footwear. See, look at this one. I'll show you. See those shoes there? See, like this one. See, unicorn shoes. Yeah, but look at the unicorn. You wanna check it? It's too big. You wanna say bye first? Oh, nga. You wanna say bye, guys? Isa. No, we're at Famous Footwear. Is that satisfying? So why you're smelling it? I caught you smelling it slowly. Is that satisfying? No. Ah, because it's green. I know. Do you like this kind of color too, Jade? Jade, this kind of color. This one? I don't touch anything unless you're buying it. Gilana, don't touch anything. In Alaska. Okay, come on, guys. Okay. Oh, you take off the box. Okay, yeah, yeah. Sunny. Where you guys wanna go? Just go. You go to the other one, then I. But I'm so tired of that color because I see that everybody had that color. See, I know when everybody's eating. See, look another one color. The black is doesn't. Oh, look at that. That's ugly Lexus. Where's the GameStop? Uh, not like the black. It doesn't. What do you call this? It's still a nice color regardless of what season it is. Oh, they have more GameStop here. You can sell your Nintendo the game here that you buy. Yeah, and sell it, but they don't wanna let it go. Oh wow. Uh oh. Uh oh. Uh oh. You already got what you wanted. Uh oh. Uh oh. Uh oh. Uh oh. Uh oh. You already got what you wanted. You're just looking. Oh, Jelana, there's Hello Kitty there. Look. There you go. Here. Here you go. Yeah, there's Hello Kitty there. See? Hello Kitty. Oh.